Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Windows Update files to free up your disk space. The first option is to remove current Windows updates. To do this, go to Settings from your taskbar or from the Start menu, Settings, Windows Update section at the bottom. Now click on Update History, scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. But I recommend you to keep your system up to date and keep all updates over here unless after the latest update something goes wrong. But you can always clean up the old update files, and this is how to do it. You need to open your File Explorer. Click on the search bar and type in the following address: C Windows Software Distribution Download. Now click on the search result, Ctrl A to select all files and delete. Now click Continue, check this checkbox and click Continue. And don't forget to empty your recycle bin. Right click on recycle bin, empty recycle bin, yes, and that's it. And one more way to remove these files from your computer: once again, hit the Windows key on your keyboard and start typing disk cleanup. Click on that. Now click on this button, Clean up System Files. Wait for a while. And once you see this window, just select which files you wish to remove from your computer. For example, Windows Upgrade log files, temporary internet files, downloaded program files. The largest file here is previous Windows installation. Let's remove it as well. Empty recycle bin once again. Temporary files. Thumbnails. Let's keep thumbnails. And that's pretty it. Now just click on OK. Confirm your action, delete files. And wait for a while. If you delete the Windows installation files, you will not be able to revert to the previous Windows versions. And this is the warning about it. But I'm pretty sure I don't want Windows 10 after Windows 11, or otherwise I can always download older Windows version from the Microsoft official website and install it. Once the process completed, you can just restart your computer and continue your work with your cleaned up space on your drive. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.